Are you particular about your perfume? I happen to love a light, sweet scent, but anything too heavy can actually give you a headache. However, the right combination of essential oils can create a harmonious aroma and holds healing properties. But there's a pretty specific formula you have to follow. So today on HGTV Handmade, I'm gonna share with you a recipe that you can follow to create endless combinations of your very own DIY roll-on perfume. To make your perfume, you'll want to create a blend of top, middle, and base notes, and fixatives. Top notes hit the nose first and are light and refreshing. Middle notes are more full-bodied and balance the blend. Base notes are the densest and strongest. Fixatives slow the evaporation rate and naturally preserve your oils. Using an amber glass roll-on bottle like this protects your blend from the sun, whose rays can degrade the quality. This is the formula for an ideal blend. To make my warmer, calming blend, use a clean dropper for each oil. Remove the lid and roller from your amber bottle. Give your oil a little shake. With your dropper, add 5 drops of bergamot to your bottle. Then add 10 drops of lemongrass and 5 of patchouli. Use a funnel to fill the rest of the bottle with your carrier oil. You can use grapeseed or fractioned coconut oil to dilute and deliver your essential oils to your skin. Put the roller and cap back on. Give your bottle a little shake, and voila! You have your first scent, a warm, calming blend. For a light summer spring scent, follow the same steps using basil, lemongrass, and frankincense oil. Now you can use this formula to make any combination you want. Is there any essential oil that's your favorite that you're dying to put into your own formula for some DIY perfume? Let us know in the comments below, because I'm always looking for a new, fresh scent. Be sure to give the vid a thumbs up and subscribe to HGTV Handmade for awesome, crafty goodness up in your grill piece. And I will see you guys later. Bye.